It's the end of a long day. You're hungry and you find yourself staring blankly at the fridge or pantry, wondering what to cook. I'm going to show you how to transform common grocery and pantry buys into delicious, quick meals that you and your family will enjoy. With just a pinch of creativity, in under half an hour, you can create new, appetizing meals and even get prepped for the week. If you're needing a pick-me-up, this is it. Welcome to Weeknight Wonders. Here are some of my regular pantry and grocery buys. Many of the items last more than 1 week, so I don't feel as hurried to use them right away, which allows me to be more flexible with my diet. Lamb leg was on sale, so I swapped it in for chicken, which is usually a weekly buy for me. But you use what you want. Even portobello mushroom caps will do. To add a twist to a basic fried rice recipe, I'm adding curry powder that was sitting unbothered in my pantry and a little ginger that I keep for my teas. Oh yeah, almost forgot. The eggs. All right, now weeknights are all about efficiency because we don't have that much energy towards the end of the day. So I'm gonna be using some frozen rice. I've had the most success with this over all of the instant boil rices. Frozen rice is absolutely the best in my opinion. So technically day-old rice is better for fried rice. Everybody knows that. Since this is a weeknight meal, you may not have the time. Here is my trick to creating your own day-old rice. Empty the rice onto a baking tray and just spread it out. If possible, place it under a fan to cool and dry. Make sure that fan is clean and let it sit there before you add it to the dish. 1 hour is ideal. To speed along any recipe, the best thing to do is to prep all the ingredients before you start cooking. So dice up some green onion, smash and mince garlic, thinly slice the bell pepper, and shave the ginger knob. Then move on to the protein and chop it up into 1 to 1.5 inch pieces. This entire prep should take you 6 to 8 minutes. Since lamb tends to be a little bit fattier, I'm not gonna add a whole bunch of oil right now. I'm just gonna lightly spray my wok with a little bit of avocado oil, and once it's hot, in goes the lamb. Ooh, love that sound. After the lamb sears on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes, sprinkle in a bit of curry, followed by a few drops of low sodium soy sauce. Continue cooking and searing for 3 to 4 minutes, then remove it and drop the heat of the wok to low. That's right, I said drop it low. Add in just a little bit of avocado oil. We're flavoring the oil with onions, garlic, and ginger for 2 to 3 minutes before adding the eggs. Grab the sheet pan of rice and shave the grains into the wok. Hit it with the rest of the curry powder and toss everything together. And a little lime zest to brighten and lift the curry flavor. And start bringing it home by adding bell pepper and the lamb leg. And finally, add in some peas and carrots. Hit it with a few more drops of low sodium soy. And our final bit of work here, just to tear in the basil. This delicious curried fried rice weeknight wonder took 8 minutes to prep and about 28 minutes to cook. Total time in the kitchen is around 36 minutes, leaving you with multiple servings to feed an entire family or to enjoy for the rest of the week. And just like that, Jesse, man, it's less than 20 minutes.
Quick and easy.
Quick and easy. Well, yeah, it's quick and easy. Easy adjacent.
Yeah.
Because I feel like they're gonna come after us. It ain't easy. Well, when I did it, so Kevin, you didn't give him the time. There's something about curry that just adds a bit of sophistication to any dish because it's a mix of so many different spices. Jesse?
Yeah.
You gonna try it? Ooh, get that piece right there. Yeah.
Bro, come on, man.
Is it Jesse approved?
Yes. What you're saying about that curry, it's like, yeah. It's like I'm in a restaurant all of a sudden.
Curry just adds so much more depth and flavor to any dish, and it's relatively inexpensive. But that is it for today's video. I hope that y'all really enjoyed it. If you like this series that we're doing with weeknight meals, then I want you to comment below and let us know. Give us a thumbs up, and also let us know what type of weeknight meals you prefer, and also what are some of your challenges in preparing some weeknight recipes for you or for your household. All right, y'all, if you're new to the channel, what up, how you doing? Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, you have to ring that bell, ding, 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 so that way you can be notified every time we post hot new content here. And also follow me at FitMenCook on Instagram and Facebook and even Twitter for daily inspiration in the kitchen. Until next time, I want you to keep it healthy, but of course, never, ever boring. Boom! Bye, peeps.